Hi, welcome to the University of Ottawa Skills and Simulation Centre. We're very proud to say that we are one of Canada's largest and busiest simulation programs. In 2017 alone, we welcomed 17,000 learners to the centre.
17,000?
17,536 actually.
But who's counting?
We provide training to all medical students and residents enrolled at the University of Ottawa, as well as to the staff of the Ottawa Hospital. We also have a very strong scholarship focus at the uOSSC. We have a one-year medical education fellowship with the possibility of specializing in simulation-based education. And our FEAST program, which is a half day a week for a year, covers all aspects of becoming a simulation educator. And many of our graduates have gone on to be leaders of simulation programs across Canada.
At the postgraduate level, all specialties use the Centre to provide training to their residents. And we're really proud of the innovative education and training that goes on here. If you can't be here to see it firsthand, then let us show you around virtually. This training includes part-task trainers for clinical skills, including some virtual reality simulations, mannequin-based simulations in realistic clinical environments for crisis management and team training, standardized patients for interpersonal skills training, in situ training, where we bring the simulation to the clinical setting so that teams can train together where they work, simulated models and cadaver labs that allow us to recreate just about any aspect of the human anatomy. Please visit the University of Ottawa Skills and Simulation Centre online at uOSSC.ca, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at uOSSC_CCSUO.